Alright, I'm Bedside Ben. We're going to do an unboxing. What we got here? Well, this right here is a barometric. I think it's what it's called. It's a palm vein recognition desktop safe from Xegis. I think it's how you say it. Xegis. Xegis. Alright. Let's take it open. I'm using a Gerber tonsil blade. Right there. Xegis. Alright. We got our hardware and instructions. Oh, that's nice. I have another one to compare it to. There we go. We got keys. So this, you can open it with a keys, like these keys, and it's a palm scanner and a pin code. So no matter what, you're going to be able to get into it, and as long as it's charged, it shouldn't take you more than just a split second to open it up. Just put your palm on there, opens up. Oh, I put it in wrong. I think. There we go. I wasn't turning it hard enough. Yeah. There we go. That's some pretty good space right there. So I have another one right here. It's charged up. This is Bill Conch. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. Yeah, this one doesn't open up. That's as far as it opens. So this one has a 90-degree. This one's probably about 80. And here's the space. So it looks like we got more room over here. In this Xegis Safe. Let's see. What I don't like about this one though is you have to use your index finger. You can only use one finger, and you have to use it every time. It holds the charge very well, but I think this Xegis is going to be a step up for sure. Let's check out the hardware. You're definitely have to charge it up. So that's what it looks like having an M&P 2.0, 22 magnum in it. And definitely have more room over here. You can put, oh yeah, I got two full-size pistols in there. Will that fit in this one? No, not quite. So just, you got more room. Oh yeah, definitely have more room. Look at it, significantly more room. You gotta line up your finger on this one to open. This one you can just throw your palm on there. You don't have to like line it up with your finger. I like how it's flat, quick accessibility to get to it. This is the Xegis Safe. Alright, so I got the new safe charged up. It came with this cord so you can, and some screws, some hardware. So you can either mount it. It's got holes right here so you can mount it and, so secure it in place. Or use this cable and put it on something so, a thief doesn't break in and just take it and mess with it later. And so this is my original safe right here. This is a Bill Conch. You gotta use your finger in one specific place. But on this, just wave your hand over it and it opens. And like I said, here's the space difference. FNX 45 full frame pistol fits in here with ease. On this one, you kind of gotta jimmy it in there, kind of situate it. So you got more space. Opens to a 90 degree. This one's about to a 80, 75. Yeah, you pretty much put everything in there. The charging actually went really fast. It's got a display. This one doesn't. But I will say the only difference is this one can actually hook up to your phone, which it might be kind of hackable. It opens up to be hacked. This one doesn't. It's got a temperature, humidity, so this can also serve as a humidor. You want to keep some of your Cuban cigars in there. You want to keep your fish flask or throwing stars. You don't want your kids getting throwing stars, putting holes in the wall. You know, just kind of throw that all in there. Bam! Full-size pistol, throwing star, fish flask, good to go. And just put your hand over it, and it opens. It's got 2 lights. This one just has 1. So already, upgrade. I'm not saying this is a bad safe by Bill Conch, but the Xegis Safe, definitely 2 thumbs up. And if the battery dies, it came with the charger, USB-C, just like everything else these days, running USB-C. If the batteries, you can't get charged, whatever, comes with 2 keys. Stick it in there, opens right up. You know, if it's dead, the light's not gonna work, obviously, but yeah, I definitely give this a win. And check it out, Xegis Safes. They are on Amazon, or you just go straight to the website. I'm Bullseye Ben, and this is my bedside safe. A little comparison unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoy.